Beautiful morning, madlang peeps! You see, thank you so much, Mrs. Lim. Breakfast on my table, I really appreciate it. Yeah, though I taken my breakfast at home, but this one considered for my lunch long. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You may live your life to the fullest. God bless you in return. Salamat ng marami, madam. Even though, alam ko na ano to. Sana masarap siya. Yan. Salamat. Sa mga hindi pa dyan nag-almusal, ayan. Expect na baka may magbigay din sa lamesa nyo. Pagdating nyo ng opisina, may may pagkain na. Then go ahead. Charot! Ayan. Arat na. Mamaya na tayo kumain kasi busog pang aking tummy. Mamaya ng lunch. Ayan. Salamat ng marami, Mrs. Lim. God bless you more.